雨でも家へ帰ります。でも、
or something. Often used to mean or something, or whatever, in casual conversation. It is used to express uncertainty or to suggest a vague or general option.
雨の場合は教室で授業をします。場合は、
In the event of. When describing a specific situation or condition that triggers a particular action or event.
あまり肉を食べない。あまり、ない。
Not very, not much. To describe the degree or frequency of an action.
私の家は高さは3階分ありますが、床は1つだけです。さ、
Nominalizer for adjectives. The suffix sa in Japanese is used to turn an adjective or a noun into an abstract noun that represents the quality or characteristic of that adjective or noun.
仕事くらいすぐに見つけられる。られる。
To be able to do something. The potential form is used to express the ability or possibility to do an action. It is created by attaching rareru to the verb stem. The potential form of a verb allows you to say that someone can do something.
子犬のような目で私を見ないでください。のように。のような。
Like, similar to. This expression is used before a noun to indicate that something is similar to or resembles the noun.
あの薬は飲みにくいです。にくい。
Difficult to, hard to. This suffix is used to indicate that something is difficult or hard.
今日は会社へ来なくてもいいです。なくてもいい。
Don't have to. This phrase means it's okay not to, or you don't have to.
来週の日曜日なら都合がつきます。なら。
If, in case, as for. This conjunction is used to express conditions or hypotheses.
スポーツの中で何が一番上手ですか？の中で。
In, among. To compare, you are indicating a comparison among different things or choices.